Ever wondered how to make $1 million per year on YouTube? Welcome to the world where creativity meets business, where your passion can turn into a lucrative career. YouTube, a platform bursting with potential, is more than just a video sharing service. It's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. From choosing the right niche, creating quality content, to mastering YouTube algorithms, there's a lot to learn. So grab a seat and get comfortable. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to becoming a millionaire on YouTube. First things first, you need to identify your niche and understand your target audience. Selecting a niche isn't about jumping on the latest trend, but about choosing a topic you're passionate about and can consistently create content around. Whether it's fitness, tech reviews, or vegan cooking, make sure it's something you love and are knowledgeable about. Once you've settled on your niche, it's time to get to know your audience. What are their interests? What problems do they face that your content can solve? What kind of content do they engage with the most? Understanding these details will help you tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube's own analytics to get insights into what your audience is looking for. Listen to their feedback in the comments and use it to shape your future content. Remember, creating content that resonates with your audience is the first step towards YouTube's success. Now that you have your audience, it's time to create engaging content. The creation of high-quality videos is the foundation of any successful YouTube channel. It's not just about having the best camera equipment, but it's also about the content you're producing. Your scripting, filming, and editing all play a crucial role in this process. For scripting, it's important to plan ahead. Know your topic inside out, and structure your script to ensure it flows smoothly and logically. When filming, pay attention to your lighting, audio, and framing. Even the smallest details can have a significant impact on the overall quality of your video. Editing is where the magic happens. This is where you can add effects, cut unnecessary parts, and make your content truly unique. Don't be afraid to experiment with different editing techniques to make your videos stand out. Remember to always prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to produce one exceptional video than multiple mediocre ones. Always remember, content is king. Consistency is key on YouTube. You've heard it before, and we're saying it again because it's that important. Having a regular upload schedule is akin to setting a weekly date with your viewers. They know when to expect your content, and they'll be there, waiting for it. Now, how do you maintain this consistency? It's all about planning and discipline. Batch produce your content whenever possible. Film multiple videos in a day, edit them throughout the week, and you've got yourself content for a month or more. This way, even when life gets busy, your YouTube channel keeps running smoothly. And why is this crucial? Regular content updates not only cater to your current viewers, keeping them engaged, but they also help you grow. The more content you have, the more chances there are for people to discover your channel. And with each new upload, you're reminding the YouTube algorithm of your active presence, which can boost your visibility. A consistent upload schedule keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Let's talk about SEO and thumbnails. Now, SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial tool for getting your videos noticed. It's all about making your content discoverable. Start with your video title. It should be clear, compelling, and include keywords that your audience is likely to search for. Next, your video's description. This is your chance to provide more detailed information about your video's content, and again, include those all-important keywords. And don't forget about tags. They're a great way to help YouTube understand what your video is about. But SEO isn't the only thing to consider. Thumbnails are your first impression, your mini movie poster. They need to tell a story at a glance, grab attention, and make someone want to click. Use vibrant colors, clear images, and concise text. A great thumbnail is like a good book cover, it draws people in. Remember, a great thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. Time to talk money. Let's discuss monetization strategies. You've got your niche, your audience, and your high-quality content. Now, how do you turn that into a steady income stream? YouTube offers several avenues for this. First up, we have ads. Once you're a part of YouTube's partner program, you can start earning from ads displayed on your videos. There are different types of ads like skippable and non-skippable video ads, display ads, and more. The amount you earn depends on factors such as viewer engagement and ad type. But to join the partner program, you must meet certain requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. So, keep creating and promoting your content to reach these milestones. Next, we have sponsorships. Brands often partner with YouTubers to promote their products or services. This can be a lucrative income stream, especially if your content aligns well with the brand's offerings. Remember, always be transparent about sponsorships to maintain your audience's trust. And then, there's merchandise. Once you've built a loyal audience, you can start selling branded merchandise. Think t-shirts, mugs, posters, anything that your audience might want to buy. YouTube even has a merchandise shelf feature that allows you to display your products directly under your videos. And don't forget about channel memberships and Super Chat. These features allow your viewers to support you financially through monthly payments or during live chats. In return, they get perks like badges, custom emojis, and exclusive content. But remember, relying on a single income stream can be risky. What if ad rates drop? What if a sponsorship deal falls through? It's crucial to diversify your income streams for financial stability. Mix and match these monetization strategies based on what suits your content and your audience. And that's the game of making money on YouTube. It's not just about creating great content, but also about smartly monetizing it. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Diversify your income streams for financial stability and growth. Building a strong brand is crucial for long-term success. But what does that actually mean? It's all about creating an identity that reflects who you are and what your content stands for. This identity should be consistently represented across all elements of your channel, from your logo and channel art to the theme and style of your videos. Think about your favorite brands. What makes them memorable? It's their unique style, the emotions they invoke, and the values they stand for. Your brand should be no different. It needs to embody your unique perspective and resonate with your audience. Remember, your brand isn't just about a cool logo or a catchy name. It's about the experience you provide to your viewers, the stories you tell, and the community you build. It's about making a promise to your audience and consistently delivering on it. A strong brand can set you apart from the competition and foster loyalty among your audience. So, are you ready to become a YouTube millionaire? Let's wrap this up by summarizing the main points we've covered today. Firstly, remember that it's crucial to choose a specific niche for your content that resonates with a large and engaged audience. It's all about understanding your target audience and creating content that speaks to them. Quality content creation is non-negotiable. High-quality video production and engaging content are what will set you apart. So, sharpen your scripting, filming, and editing skills to make your videos pop. Consistency is key, so develop a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Regular content updates are vital for audience retention and growth. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO, and create compelling thumbnails that catch the eye and encourage clicks. Encourage viewer interaction and use YouTube's community features to foster a sense of belonging. Understand the YouTube Partner Program requirements and explore different revenue streams such as ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Build a strong brand identity and use other social media platforms to promote your channel. Stay informed about YouTube analytics to make data-driven decisions and adapt your content strategy based on what works. Keep an eye on YouTube algorithm updates and adapt your strategy accordingly. Explore additional income streams outside of YouTube, and be sure to understand copyright laws to avoid legal issues. And remember, constant learning and adaptation are the name of the game in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with passion, dedication, and the right strategies, you can make $1 million per year on YouTube. Good luck!